Today I'm making not just one, but 2 cakes that are going to be designed by me pulling random cards. There are different cards for each part of the cake, like the color, the cake comb, the border, and the toppings. There'll be no redos, no planning, whatever I pull is what I have to do. So let's pull the cards for the first cake. First I need to pick the color for the frosting. Pink, that's a good start. I went with a lighter shade of pink, and now it's time to pick the cake cone. All right, butterfly. I don't like this one. Because of this type of cake cone, there's a limited amount of cards that I can now choose, but now it's time to choose the border around the cake. All right, this is the first one. Mini gumballs. Okay. I can do this. See, I don't want to be boring and just pick pink. I have gumballs, and I could just easily go with pink, but that could be a little boring, but I also don't want to make everything clash, so I think I'm just going to go with red. So far, it's looking pretty good. I had a choice in the color of the gumball, so I think that's helping a lot, but now it's time to choose what color the drip is going to be. Okay, purple. So far, this isn't that bad. I still wouldn't have matched purple with the red, but it looks okay on the pink, so now we're going to go with the Oreos on top. All right, we just have regular Oreos. I should have had the golden ones. Now I'm going to do buttercream in between each of these cookies, so I just need to pick the color for that. Nah, I don't trust that one, okay. All right, blue. Maybe, yeah, what color was that? Yellow. Oh, good. Here's how the cake is looking now, and I kind of like it. I really like the colors on top, except for the red. I don't really like that one, but it's okay. But now it's time to choose the card for the topping. Pockies. I hate this. Here's the random cake complete. There it is. My masterpiece. I don't think it looks that bad. I think the only thing that throws it off is the red on the bottom. And I picked that color, so that's my fault. But everything else I kind of like. Still wouldn't be colors that I put together, but it somehow kind of works. The Pockies, I'm questioning that, but it's okay. I think I still like it. I'm going to give this a 7. I actually kind of like it. So let's see if the next one goes any better. First, we're going to pick the color of the cake. Purple. Oh, I still don't like the color purple. All right, purple is on. I picked the best shade that I could think of. So now we're gonna pick the cake cone. All right, scallop. So far, it's looking pretty good. Now we're gonna do the border. Oreo crumbs. That won't look bad. So far, it's not bad. I still like it, but now it's time to do the drip. Orange. Ew, that's some work. Now this is Halloween. So far, it's looking a little bit like a Halloween cake. Switching it up, and we're adding Oreos on top. Oh, okay, golden Oreos. I wish it was the regular. Still not looking too bad. Now we pick which color frosting goes on top. Yellow. Oh my gosh, yellow. I really don't like this no more. I don't know. The yellow, it clashed. Now we're gonna pick the accent on top. Oh, okay, mini gumballs. And now it's trash. Now this is just terrible. I'm using orange because it's the only thing that really is gonna work well with this. All right, here's the random cake complete. I don't like this. It's not the worst one that I've ever done. It was kind of Halloween, but now I don't know what it looks like. Kind of looks like breakfast on top. It looks like eggs. I didn't realize that's what that looks like. Okay. Overall, I don't like this cake. I just don't like yellow and orange together. Not my greatest combination. So I'm going to give this cake a 4 out of 10. So between these 2 cakes, I'm going to get the first one to win. I ranked that one higher, and I also think that one looks the best. Still not something that I would make on my own free will, but you know, I still like it. But out of these 2 cakes, which one would you pick? The first one or the second one? And if you like this video, make sure that you like and subscribe to this channel. I have a lot more fun videos coming up, and I'll see y'all soon.